Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSC Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code CS 8078, Green Computing, Unit 4, topic Socio Cultural Aspects of Green IT. Objective to understand about the concepts of socio-cultural aspects of green IT. Introduction. Green IT comprises the important and subjective element of the green enterprise transformation. Green transformation of the entire society involves green ethics, morals, value systems, and attitude across multiple layers of people. That means while a government can bring about changes through the ratification of agreements, otherwise they are going to converting them into law. So only the changes in society are based on protocols and understanding that is grown. For that you have to give some training and awareness that should be associated with the green IT can play a role in handling the subjective nature of green transformation. Green IT social impact. Discussions of the social aspects of green IT involve individuals, government, and society. Individuals, however, operate in several roles as an individual, as member of a family or social group, as a member of an organization, for example, business, academic, government, and as decision makers. Learning organization. One of the ways an organization can successfully discharge its CSR is by incorporating green IT in both the tactic and explicit domains of the organization. Green social stakeholders. One of the most ways to handle cross cultural issues in long scale green transformation is by increasing and enhancing the opportunities for physical communication amongst the diverse stakeholders. The issues relating to collaborative groups of people and organizations need to be considered in global green effort. These issues include their individual preferences, corporate policies, government regulations, social norms and practices, and ethical codes of conduct. Role based view of green IT. The subjectivity of green IT is seen in the various roles within the organization. For example, the decision maker that is primarily interested on the green initiatives, where an engineer is interested in improvement of design and the production process. It also involves their subjective interpretations are based on various roles. In this figure, it shows the percentage of each and every role of the organization, and also it is used to replicate the percentage others in the 80 percentage, decision maker in the 20 percentage, project 10 percentage, environment regulations 2 percentage, etc. That means it's are the interested in the implementation of green program. That's the steps taken to be for the implementation and the successful review at the end of the project. Green users practices. There are three major areas of changes to working lifestyles that are involved in a green enterprise transformation. These practices include video conferencing, telecommuting, teleworking, feat that field force management, web, and use of collaboration tools such as emails and mobile phones or PDA. These practices in terms of their importances to carbon reduction. Green IT ethics and code of conduct. A green IT code of conduct can augment and support the expectations and behavior of individuals operating as employees and consulting professionals, as well as the organizations that subscribe to that code of conduct. For example, maintain the security and privacy of carbon data, ensure the participation in industry and research survey. It should include workshops to increase the overall body of knowledge, and then you have the honestly represent skill, knowledge, service, and product that should be relating to the carbon. Greenwashing. Greenwashing is where a firm spends time and money advertising and marketing their goods or service or environmentally friendly when in fact they are not. In other words, greenwashing is the fact of making false or misleading claims about the environmental benefits of a product, service, technology, etc. Communication in green transformation project. Green transformation also involves interaction amongst people, departments, organization, and governing bodies. Communication is required between internal departments of organizations to relate corporate philosophies, encourage teamwork, and develop strong relationships within and outside of an organization. Green IT project channels of communication. Communication can be through various channels in a green IT transformation programs. Following are the categories of communication channels that need to be considered in a green IT project. Personal, the face to face communication that occurs when the green transformation program is underway. And then next one is collaborative. It is the group based electronic communication mechanism like blog and also rapidly ascending social network media. Mobile, it indicates phone and SMS that enable context based communications. Asynchronous, electronic communication that can be uploaded on the organization site. Physical, it is the age old communication medium making use of paper. Group, that makes use of electronic as well as physical communication facilities, for example webinars, seminars, and workshops. Green HR and changing organizational structures. Organizational social changes resulting from green IT initiative includes changes to the skill set of individuals supporting the organization systems and process. That means here the green HR has engendered change from the social perspectives, for example technical or economic perspectives. Here, the organizational changes involve restricting the hierarchy, creation of new green specific role, and spelling out the reward structure for meeting the green goals. And also, it will covers the length, breadth, and depth of green IT strategy. Here, they have the department level focus that are dealing with metrics and measurement issues. So, only the environmental office have a very practical and the operational focus. Green collar workers' roles and skill sets. Green collar workers are the ones that are associated directly or indirectly with an organization endeavor to become a green organization. It has to define and position green collar workers correctly. Skills framework for information age and green HR. It is a smooth transformation of an organization. It is essential that the new level of focus for the creation of green IT strategy. Then next one is skill level framework for information age SFI and green HR. It is essential that this new green IT specific roles are understood and well defined. Here they have some levels. Totally we have 7 levels. First we are going to see the strategy and inspiration. That means it is the level focus on the strategic aspect of the organization. It also used for the creation of green IT strategies. The next one is initiative and influence. That means it will undertaken by the executive and senior leaders of an organization. Green goals within this level are responsible for initiating and understanding green enterprise transformation and give some approaches across the organization. For example, strong leadership, management, and communication skills are required to succeed in the roles. Next one, ensure, advise, and consult. In this level, the green IT skills that enable them to provide advice and consult the line managers responsible for green transformation within their departments. The next level, enable. It is used for the individual operatings on the at this level. It also map and enables their work primarily at the department level, leading and motivating their staffs. The next level is apply. In this level, it is focused on accurate applications of the rules and regulations, policies and practices, and procedures that should be associated with the green IT. The next level, model, assist. In this level, it will be involved in modeling process, systems, data, and operational requirements. The next level, follow. It is the IT skill set is primarily involved in documentation in various areas of the green transformation initiatives. The next one is SFI skill set and green roles. The useless of the SFI levels and competencies can be used to understand the ways in which the people can be organized within and across Organizations totally here they given some skill levels. 1 to 4 means they have the roles managers and team leaders. 4 to 6 level means a senior management. 6 to 7 means the levels are strategics and leaders. Green virtual communities. A virtual community is formed through social networks that allow people to interact irrespective of geographical and political boundaries. Thank you.